Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious sangria mocktail, step by step. This refreshing, non-alcoholic drink is perfect for any occasion. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You will need fresh fruits such as 1 orange, 1 lemon, and 1 apple. For the liquid base, have 3 cups of red grape juice and 2 cups of pomegranate juice ready. Finally, grab 2 cups of sparkling water and any preferred natural sweeteners. Now, let's prepare our fresh fruit. Begin by thinly slicing 1 orange, 1 lemon, and 1 apple. You can also have about 1/2 cup of fresh grapes or a handful of berries for extra flavor and color. Place all the sliced and halved fruit into a large pitcher. Using a muddler or the back of a wooden spoon, gently press the fruit to release some of their delicious natural juices. This simple action will significantly boost the overall flavor of your mocktail. Next, it's time to combine our liquids and fruit. Carefully pour 3 cups of red grape juice into the pitcher with your prepared fruit. Then, add 2 cups of pomegranate juice, which contributes a lovely depth of color and flavor. Give everything a gentle stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined. For the best taste, cover the pitcher and refrigerate your sangria mocktail for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. This chilling time allows the fruit flavors to truly infuse into the juices. Finally, for the grand finale, just before you are ready to serve, add 2 cups of chilled sparkling water to your pitcher. Stir gently to combine, being careful not to lose too much of the delightful fizz. Fill individual glasses with plenty of ice, then pour in your beautiful sangria mocktail, ensuring each glass gets a generous portion of the infused fruit. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish with a fresh fruit slice or a vibrant sprig of mint. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, refreshing sangria mocktail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.